Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so you don't stall later. Make sure Streamlabs desktop is installed and you're logged into the streaming service. This authorizes widgets. Next, open the editor and add the chat box widget as a browser source. This gives you the visual chat layer. Once done, locate your chat provider settings and copy the channel ID or token. This token links Streamlabs to your chat. Without it, the widget won't receive messages, so grab it now. Now configure the chat box widget so messages display correctly and match your stream's look. Paste the channel ID or token into the widget settings, then customize appearance, font, size, opacity, badges, and whether emotes render. After that, set behavioral options like message limit, scroll speed, and whether older messages are hidden. Also enable filters for banned words and toggle moderator-only commands if needed. These reduce spam and make chat readable. Make incremental changes and preview live so you can finish by positioning the chat overlay in your scene and locking it to avoid accidental moves during streams. Test with a live message or use an alternate account to simulate chat, and enable hotkeys or dock a moderator panel for quick moderation. Save your scene and export a backup layout so you can restore settings. If chat doesn't appear, check the browser source URL, ensure the token is correct, verify browser source permissions, and confirm firewall or network blocks aren't preventing WebSocket connections.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.